JP being silly.
Balancing on this.
Oh yeah. Amazing. Oh, don't fall, don't fall.
Good morning from sunny Thailand. Well, I was an all-eat buffet for mosquitoes last night. Check this out. One there, that one from the other day, there, these, this, that. So if anyone's got any tips on stopping mosquitoes, actually, I've got this stuff, which the woman in the 7-Eleven said was really good, and it has been on my legs, but I can't put it everywhere on my body.
I'm just trying to sort out flights going to Chiang Mai, because that's where we decided that we would go next. I did find a lovely little apartment that we could book for one whole week that has a washing machine and everything that you would need really, and it was quite cheap. It was £121 for 7 days. So the flight, from what I was looking yesterday, is working out at around about £150 for both of us. That's because we have one bag to check in, and then we just have the two that we carry on. But that's my plan for this morning, and then I'm going to go in there. So here we are, we took you to the UpsideDown House.
It's all very strange, isn't it?
The shoes.
And your bra.
There's your goods. There's your duds.
My doesn't. The Christmas cleans.
Oh, poor Henry stuck on the roof. It's just a bit of silly fun, this place. Yeah, it's different. The cost was 350 baht each, and then there's a room called the drunk room that we're going to take you in hopefully later on, and that's an extra 50 baht each, so altogether 800 baht for both of us. What are you doing? Gonna make some spaghetti. Upside down fridge. How are them eggs staying in? I do not know. Oh, there's a lovely breeze here. Anybody want an upside down canneria? Cherries. Elvis has left the building. So here we have the upside down couch, upside down table if you want a game of chess. Coming to get you.
down, you're turning me.
Oh, them poor fishies.
Oh, that's good, isn't it? Where they've made it look like water on top there.
Yeah. What's your name?
Just getting Sharon to pause for a photo. Just sit with lay down on the back and put your legs on the wall. Yeah, perfect that one. Well done.
No, shut the fuck up.
Bungers in it. A kipper.
What?
The kipper.
You leave my cup out of this. Upside down tuk-tuk. I can't get a photo. JP being silly.
Balancing on this.
Oh yeah. Amazing. Oh, so far, so far.
It's random as out. What the
I think that needs replacing.
Where are you going? Have a look. Oh, we're in the loft. I think it's so you can I don't know.
All in all, it's a bit of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, of course it is, yeah.
It's kept us entertained for a little bit.
Yeah. It's I'm looking forward to this drunk room now though.
Oh, I'm
I know.
not. I'll be sick.